खाली ना कोई रहे
सुना सुना होगा इमेजिनिंग माइग्रेट
लवे लवे
तो सुना ही दूर बा Imagining migrated to America to start your life and make your career. You came after a lot of struggle. Then Americans start to suppress you because for being an immigrant and discriminate causing damage to you and your mental health issues. Same condition is relevant in America against Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders, which are also called AAPI nationwide. It will continue until we all get together to make some changes. I have seen those AAPI hate throughout the pandemic, so I think I am qualified to talk about AAPI hate. I think everyone should be interested in my topic because it is hot issues and everywhere and has so much audience attention. Today I will talk about AAPI hate which has impacted Asians badly. I will start off by talking about the present issues in America, the solution to help AAPI hate, and the benefits of supporting the program. To start off my speech, I want to talk about the problem faced due to AAPI hate nationwide. There are many incidents that has reported AAPI hate which is destroying humanity. According to Baltimore source, did you know that since the beginning of the pandemic, there have been nearly 3,800 reported hate incidents against Asian Americans, and among them 51 were reported in Maryland. According to Stop AAPI Hate source, most of the discrimination against the AAPI are verbal harassment, which consist of 65.2 report, online harassment of 7.3%, civil rights violation which 10.3%, and physical assault of 12.6%, and last the zoning 18.1%. According to Mercury News, other issues AAPI have to face are tragedies like go back to your house country, teased and humiliated for their appearance. अब हम कैसे करें? ये कैसे चलें? लिंक को भी पेस्ट करके आगे कर। सफारी में सॉफ्टवेयर ना सफारी में
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहा
ना करना
तीयो रेको
बोले तंका मिनट बोल जाइए
ना कटबे
ना काटे
तू बोलते रहे हो ये तो हम भी कोनी
It's where your ancestors from. They're not from this country. You're going down. Bitch, you better go back to where you're from. You
just walked in.
No, she did. Oh shit!
So we saw like how American women just assaulted some Asian one Asian woman for being in the store, and it's just unhuman. Um,
Chinese.
let's see the another example. Like Asian man got hit by non-AAPI people because of exposure to of coronavirus from China. Everyone believed that every Chinese is the cause of coronavirus, and so they just humiliate and discriminate them for being Chinese or Asian. Now that I have talked about the problems associated with AAPI hate, let me inform you what can be done to resolve this issue. There is an organization working to protect and preserve the lives of AAPI. According to Wikipedia, Stop AAPI Hate is a non-profit organization that tracks hate and crime against AAPI, which was founded in 2020 in response to racist attack on Asian community, and it also focuses on resolving all form of racism. Those who are willing to join the organization to help people help people facing such issues around the world can join and start researching AAPI hate and report them for the relief. According to WTOP News, to make sure every AAPI citizens are safe and to empower them, Maryland government Larry Hogan said the Asian community really needs to be together and be supportive, which is great step for Asians. Now let's talk about the issues they are tracking and its benefit. There are many benefits of supporting Stop AAPI Hate program. The passage of COVID-19 Hate Crimes Act demonstrates that federal government recognizes the devastating impact of pandemic-related racism and discrimination that AAPI community is facing. It is reported in Stop AAPI Hate source. Stop AAPI Hate allows victims to safely and anonymously report incidents that they have experienced, which was reported in Spice Center. Now that I have gone through all the major points, let's wrap up everything and conclude the speech. Stop AAPI Hate works to prevent every type of crime and urge government to take action. Those who witness any crime would immediately inform the organization so that they would take action. We should never tolerate hate, rather we should raise awareness and instantly inform the new organization to help against the hate like AAPI. Everyone should be united and fight for the right until they get success. Like we can protest and have rally against those issues to make people aware about it and to help government take an action. To get involved in Stop AAPI Hate organization, you should just visit the main page of Stop AAPI Hate and click on Act Now button in the middle of the main page, and you are ready to join. And you are ready to join it.
क्वेश्चन भी है बहुत ही आता हो
Last year. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you all have a good night. Thank you.
कोई बस बहुत ही
कौन बात है?
लास्ट में हम लोग क्या होता है